Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy, back with another video. So the upcoming Oppo Reno 4 specs and some two images is here. In this video we're talking about the latest leak of the Oppo Reno 4. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos and enable that bell icon so you do not miss any of my uploaded video notification. So talking about the Oppo Reno 4 specs and images surface, Oppo has launched over a dozen smartphones under its Reno series, and it appears the company will soon add a new member to the lineup, debut the Reno 4. A couple of images have leaked on a Chinese social network Weibo, as you can see on your screen, which reveals the design and a few specs of the upcoming Oppo Reno 4. The upcoming Oppo Reno 4 will arrive in at least two new colors and support a quad camera setup, as you can see these images of the back side and on the back, which will come with the ultra steady feature. The back also has the Oppo logo on the right side of the camera, below which is a huge text that reads Glow. This might be the marketing name of the phone color, but we will have to wait for more information to be creation of the upcoming Oppo Reno 4. The picture, as you can see, also reveals that the Oppo Reno 4 will support a 5G network and 65-volt fast charging. It will come with a super night scene video feature, which sounds like a night mode for the video recording. The leaked images don't reveal the front side of the Reno 4, so it's unclear whether the smartphone display will have a water drop notch or a punch hole for the selfie camera. But seeing how the Reno 4 already being marketing in Chinese store, it should not be too long before the smartphone is officially unveiled. The Oppo Reno 3 Pro, which is launched in March, the phone also has 6.4-inch display, and the phone has a 1080p by 2400 pixel and 20:9 aspect ratio. The Oppo Reno 3 Pro also have a backside 4 cameras, and it has a recording up to 4K at 30 fps. Front side of the Oppo Reno 3 Pro has a 44 megapixel one camera and 2 megapixel the second camera. But let's see in upcoming days what Oppo will add the upcoming Oppo Reno 4s and what new specs leaks coming in the next upcoming days. Let's see in upcoming days what is the price of the upcoming Oppo Reno 4 and what is the more specs and what is the more specification of this smartphone. So guys, let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this smartphone, because this is the another flagship from the Oppo. And also like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.